Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Practice channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm very happy to spend this time with you today.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you're feeling relaxed and ready to practice English.
Mark, it's always nice to practice together. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good, thank you, Sarah. I feel calm today, which is nice.
That's great to hear. Feeling calm really helps with learning.
I agree. When we feel relaxed, it's easier to listen and speak.
Absolutely. So, Mark, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about free time and hobbies.
Oh, that's a wonderful topic. Everyone enjoys talking about their hobbies.
Yes, because hobbies make our lives more enjoyable.
Exactly. A hobby is something we like to do in our free time.
That's right. For example, reading, cooking, listening to music, or playing sports.
Mark, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy listening to music and going for walks.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music, especially instrumental music. It helps me relax after a long day.
That's nice. I also like calm music when I want to rest.
Do you listen to music every day?
Not every day, but a few times a week. I usually listen in the evening.
Evenings are a good time for that.
Yes. Mark, you mentioned walking. Do you walk every day?
I try to walk at least 4 or 5 days a week, usually in the morning or early evening.
Walking is a great habit. It's simple and very healthy.
I agree. It helps both the body and the mind.
My favorite hobby is reading. I really enjoy reading books.
That's a great hobby. What kind of books do you like?
I like simple stories and self-improvement books. They help me learn new ideas.
That's wonderful. Reading also helps improve vocabulary.
Yes, especially for English learners.
How often do you read?
I try to read a little every day, even if it's just 10 minutes.
That's a very good habit. Small steps are important.
Exactly. Mark, do you have any hobbies at home?
Yes, I do. I like cooking simple meals at home.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you like to cook?
I like cooking rice, vegetables, and sometimes pasta. Nothing too complicated.
Cooking at home is very useful. It can also be fun.
Yes, and it saves money too.
That's true. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but a few times a week. On weekends, I cook more.
Weekends are perfect for hobbies.
Yes, because we usually have more free time.
Some people like indoor hobbies and others like outdoor hobbies.
That's right. Both are good in different ways.
For example, indoor hobbies include reading, watching movies, or painting.
And outdoor hobbies include walking, cycling, or playing sports.
Mark, do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I usually watch movies on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like light movies, such as comedies or family movies.
Me too. I like movies that make me feel happy.
That's important. Entertainment should help us relax.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about hobbies and English learning.
That's a great idea.
One good hobby is practicing English every day.
Yes, listening, speaking, reading, and writing are all helpful.
Even simple conversations like this can help.
Absolutely. Practice doesn't need to be difficult.
You can practice by talking to yourself.
Or by reading English aloud.
You can also listen to English videos while relaxing.
That's a great way to learn naturally.
Mark, do you practice English every day?
I try to practice a little every day. Consistency is important.
I agree. A little practice every day is better than a lot once a week.
That's very true.
Now, everyone, it's your turn.
Yes, please tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite hobby?
And how often do you do it?
Try to write in simple English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help us learn.
Also, try reading your comment aloud.
That's great speaking practice.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
We really appreciate your time.
Keep practicing and stay positive.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.